In this video, I want to do a bunch of examples of factorizing a second degree polynomial, which is often called a quadratic, sometimes a quadratic polynomial, or just a quadratic itself, or quadratic expression. But all it means is a second degree polynomial, right? Let's understand the meanings of expressions. Expression, if I'm writing x squared plus 2x, that is called expression. If I'm writing x plus x squared plus 2x equals to something, that is not expression, that is called equation. That difference is important to keep it in your mind all of the time. So today, in today's video, we are going to factorizing expressions, or what we can say quadratic expressions. Let's understand the meanings of factorizing now. What's meant by factorization, factorizing, factor, split something? बहुत सारे लोग कहते हैं split करना, split something in the product of and blah blah. But remember one thing, in the easiest meaning, yeah, it is one way that you can explain that you are going to split a number in the product of that particular number. But its basic meanings are taking common. How can we take common? We can take common if we are having two terms in expression, or three terms in expression, or four terms. How it works, let's understand. In case if we have two terms in quadratic expression, then how it works? X squared plus 2x. First step, we have to take a common. As you know, we have to take a common, right? So you have to observe, क्या इनके कोफिशिएंट आपस में कोई हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर रखते हैं? कुछ कॉमन आ सकता है? No, there isn't any. So I will go and check the variable part. अब मैं variables को check करूंगी. Can I take a common? Yes, there is an x square, means 2x are here, and there is a single x. So 1x is the common which I can take it at first. And what is left? यहाँ से क्या बचा? 2x थे, so I have already moved 1x outside, right? So I will write 1x which is left here, plus यहाँ से 2 बचा, so I will write 2 here. I will not write this x here. Why? Because I have already taken it as a common. So this is how I can solve it. For example, let's take another example. X cube plus 3x cube plus 6x. Okay. In that situation, first of all, you have to observe the coefficients. इनके coefficients में देखें क्या common आ रहा है. What is common? क्या highest common आपके पास factor निकलता है? Here you can observe 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 2 is 6. So 3 is common in them. So I will write 3 as a common, right? And यहाँ पर x cube मतलब 3x है, and here is 1x. So single x is also common. So 1x is also common x, right? So I can write as a common. Okay. Now I will put a bracket to write leftovers. तो क्या रह गया उसमें? 1x, यहाँ पे 3 तो बाहर चला गया. No need to write 3. And x की पावर में से कितना कम हुआ? 1, because you have taken 1x as a common. So you will reduce the power and you will write 2x are left here. Means x की power 2. Plus, now 3 we have taken as a common, but this 2 is still left. You will write 2 here. And what about this x? Do we need to write this x? No, because we have already taken this x यहाँ पे as a common. तो यहाँ पे x बचा ही नहीं. So that is your answer. There is no further working. Let me erase that. There is no further working, and that is your answer. Okay, what if we have 4 terms? अगर हमारे पास 4 terms होती हैं तो क्या होगा? Pretty easy. Let me write an example here. Ax square plus ab plus 3bc plus 3ac. Okay. Now in this situation, you have to make a group of 2. जैसे ये 2 का ग्रुप था, 2 टर्म्स का ग्रुप था, same as you have to make a group of 2. ये first 2 टर्म का ग्रुप बन गया and ये second 2 टर्म्स का ग्रुप बन गया. एंड समटाइम्स इट हैपेंड कि हमें कुछ जगह को चेंज करना पड़ता है अगर कोई कॉमन आइडेंटिकल ना हो, बट राइट नाउ आई कैन ऑब्जर्व कि हर ग्रुप में से कुछ ना कुछ कॉमन निकल रहा है, राइट? ओके, now I will start working on first group just like this example which we have solved earlier. Let's continue. Okay, अब इसमें you can observe 1a and 1a दोनों में common है. I will take as a common. There isn't any coefficient, any number, तो कुछ भी number को लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. What is left here? Single a is left here. Plus will come as it is down and b will come as it is down. Any problem till here? No. Let's continue. Plus, okay, now just observe this group. अब इस group को भी आपने two terms की जो question solve किया है, you have to treat like this, okay? How it will work? You have to observe the coefficient. 3 common है दोनों में? Yes, it is common. You will write 3 as a common. And what else is common? C is common, right? A, B and A is not common, so you will not take as a common. But right now, C is common, you will write outside. Now you will put the bracket. अब जो रह गया, you will write that. B is left, plus, and A is left. You will copy down. Any problem till here? No. Okay, remember one thing. यहाँ पे एक बहुत important point है, उसको start कर लें, and that is कि ये जो bracket में values आई हैं, ये आपकी 100% सेम आनी चाहिए. अगर ये सेम ना आ रही हो तो इट मींस कि देयर इज एनी मिस्टेक. यू हैव टू गो बैक एंड चेक योर पेयर अगेन. कोई कॉमन नहीं लिया, कुछ लेफ्ट और कुछ रह गया है, तो उसको आप दोबारा से रीचेक करेंगे. सो राइट नाउ you can just observe the order is not same, right? Like a plus b. Remember, you can write b plus a, like 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2. Sorry, I have written 5 here. 3 plus 2, they both are same. There isn't any problem. तो इसलिए आप इसको same ही consider करेंगे. Now, in next step, just observe what is common in both. इसमें और इसमें ये bracket आपको common नजर आ रहा है. Can you take it out? Yes, we can take it out. So I will take this whole bracket, I will write as a common factor, right? And in second, I will write leftover. A is left, I will write here, plus I will write here, and 3C, I will write here. Remember, these are not equations. That's why we are not going to make them equals to 0 and finding the answer. Here, we can say it's a final answer because these are expressions, right? Okay. What if we have, let me scroll down. Okay. What if we have three terms in question? For example, let me write as question. Okay. X square minus 6x plus 8. अच्छा, remember, ये method जो two terms का common कैसे निकालते हैं and how can we find the common in 4 terms. Remember, ये सारी चीजें इस 3 term में apply होती हैं, right? कैसे? First of all, 3 terms you can find, you can start taking common जब तक आप इसमें आप middle term को break नहीं कर सकते. जब तक आप middle term को break नहीं कर देते, middle term, तब तक आप इसका common start नहीं कर सकते. मीन्स ये वैल्यूज 3 हैं, इसको 4 होना जरूरी है, और जैसे ही 4 हो जाएंगी तो यू विल स्टार्ट अप्लाइंग दिस मेथड, राइट? सो हाउ कैन वी कन्वर्ट these 3 terms, or you can say how can you break a middle term? There is a procedure. You have to take this coefficient. What is the coefficient of x here? There is no value written, means 1 is written, right? You have to multiply this one with this constant value, that is 8. So let me write here 1 times 8 is giving me 8. अब इस 8 के आपने factors ऐसे बनाने हैं. You have to break this 8 into its factors कि जिसको add और subtract करें, तो you should get a middle term with its sign. आपकी मिडिल टर्म कौन सी है? -6 है, रिमेंबर दैट. तो आपने इसके फैक्टर्स ऐसे बनाने हैं. तो लेट्स टेक अ स्टार्ट. 1 times 8 is giving me 8. तो अगर मैं इसका सम करती हूँ तो क्या होगा? 1 plus 8 is giving me 9. या अगर मैं माइनस करती हूँ तो इट इज गिविंग मी 7. तो नो, इट्स नॉट अ सुटेबल पेयर. तो आई गो नेक्स्ट. तो इसके और फैक्टर्स कौन से हो सकते हैं? 2 times 4 8. जी 8 दे रहा है मुझे, प्लस 8. रिमेंबर फॉर दिस इट शुड बी प्लस 8. ओके, अब नाउ इट्स गिविंग मी प्लस 8. What if I will add both of them? अगर मैं ऐड करती हूँ तो 6 आता है. ओ वाओ, ऐसा लगेगा कि हमारी यही रिक्वायरमेंट थी. बट रिमेंबर देयर इज अ अलर्ट. अलर्ट ये है कि यू हैव टू कंसिडर एंड बी कॉन्शियस फॉर द माइनस साइन. साइन भी देखना जरूरी है. दिस शुड बी -6, शुड नॉट बी ओनली 6, राइट? सो इसका मतलब है कि आप दोनों वैल्यूज माइनस की ले लो. So we can add them and we can get -6. So this is how you have break a middle term. So instead of middle term, I will use these factor with the same variable जो कि already उस value में given है या question में given है. -2x minus 4x. Instead of -6x, I'm writing this. Is that clear? Okay. Now I'll copy down the rest of the question. अब देखें. Now just observe. That is really important to understand. आप इसको observe करें. This question, you have this question, which was this statement or expression was having 3 terms basically, right? Now you have converted into 4 terms. The 4 terms को हमने किस तरह से solve किया था? Let's move back and just observe. हमने इसको कैसे किया था? हमने इसके pairs बना दिए थे, right? So we will go with the same procedure. We will make group of 2. और अब group of 2 को कैसे act करते हैं या solve करते हैं वो हमने first method में पढ़ा है. तो हम कंसिडर करेंगे यहाँ पे सिर्फ 2 ही वैल्यूज हैं, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 2x. नाउ फाइंड द कॉमन. क्या चीज कॉमन है? यहाँ पे सिर्फ वेरिएबल कॉमन है इन दोनों में. आप बाकी सब कुछ भूल जाएंगे. जस्ट फॉरगेट एवरी अदर टर्म राइट नाउ. ठीक है, जस्ट फोकस ऑन दीज 2 टर्म्स. x is common in both. What is left? X is left and -2 is left. You will write -2 here. And what about this group now? अब इस ग्रुप की बारी है. इसका कोई ताल्लुक नहीं है दूसरे ग्रुप के साथ. So I will go and start taking a common. अब यहाँ पे number is common. 4. 4 times 1. 4 times 1 is common. 4 times 1 is not. 4 is common basically. And 4 times 2. So here you can observe दोनों में 4 common है. So you can write 4 out. And there isn't any variable common. So no need to write down. I'll put a bracket. अच्छा, आपने observe किया है? I did not write or mention a sign. अभी तक मैंने sign पे कोई काम नहीं किया. Why? Because remember, I know that as I told you earlier कि bracket में sign के साथ values भी same आनी चाहिए. तो अब यहाँ पर plus का sign है. तो आई नीड टू टेक दिस माइनस साइन कॉमन. जैसे ही कॉमन लूंगी तो अंदर का जो ये साइन है ये ऑटोमेटिकली माइनस का हो जाएगा. रिमेंबर दैट. और ये मेरी रिक्वायरमेंट को पूरा भी कर रहा है. लाइक इन दिस ब्रैकेट वी आर हैविंग माइनस का साइन. क्लियर? ओके, नाउ आई विल स्टार्ट writing the remainders. What is left over? Here is x is left here. I will write x, and here 2 is left, so I will write 2. Clear? Now, in the last step, we have to take a common. Just you observe x minus 2 जो कि bracket में है, ये पूरी term bracket के साथ common we can take as a common, right? तो मैंने इसको लिया common. And what is left? This x is left. I will write here x. This -4 is left. I will write -4. So basically, you can say one thing more. Yeah, we have find a solution. This is our answer. But remember one thing. Factorization is basically opposite of expansion. जब हम इसको expand करेंगे ना तो हमारे पास यही question की जो statement है as an answer आ जाएगी. Right? So ये basically एक दूसरे का reverse procedure होता है. I would like to write more questions for further practice. Let me write here further practice. Okay, so 2x square plus 3x minus 2. Procedure is same. Multiply this coefficient with this constant term. Remember the sign also. It will be 2 into -2 equals to -4. Means I have to break this plus 3x into two terms by using its factors. तो हम क्या लेते हैं? For example, 4 times 1 is giving me 4. लेकिन अगर मैं इसको माइनस करती हूँ तो इट इज गिविंग मी 3 प्लस 3. मुझे प्लस 3 तो मिल गया, लेकिन मुझे 4 माइनस का मिलना चाहिए. तो इट मीन्स आई शुड यूज वन ऑफ द वैल्यू माइनस की. तो हम यहाँ पे हम यूज कर लेते हैं -1. तो अब इस -1 को यूज करते हुए -1 plus 4 is giving me 3, right? Or you can even write 4 minus 1 is giving you 3. Okay. So instead of the 3x, I am going to substitute these factors. So I will write plus 4x, right? Minus 1x. No need to write 1 with it. Okay. Rest I will just copy down the question. 2x square and minus 2. Now you know 3 terms से 4 terms पर break हो गया है. 4 terms बन चुकी हैं. Now you need to go with grouping method. Make group of 2. दो का group बनाए और solve करना शुरू कर दें. ले जी 2. मैं अब number सबसे पहले observe कर रही हूँ. That is 2 times 1 and here is 2 times 2. So it means I can write 2 as a common. ठीक है ना? And what about x? यहाँ पे 2x है, x की पावर 2 है, यहाँ पे single x है. तो I can take x common also. So I will write x as a common. And what is left? क्या रह गया यहाँ पे? 1 रह गया, no need to write 1. And 1 single x रह गया. I will write single x plus and single 2 रह गया. So I will write single 2. Okay. What about this one? अब next group पे चलते हैं. इसमें nothing is common except one thing, which is minus is common. ये भी minus का है, ये भी minus का है. I will take minus as a common, -1 as a common, and then what is left? As I have taken as a common, minus as a common, तो जो भी inner sign है वो change हो जाएगा. Means अगर ये minus का x था, ये plus का हो जाएगा. और ये माइनस का 2 था तो ये प्लस का 2 हो जाएगा. Did you get this point? ये माइनस का जो पॉइंट है ये बहुत अहम है. Remember that. और यही मिस्टेक नॉर्मली स्टूडेंट्स करते हैं. Okay. Now again you have to take a common. This x plus 2 and this x plus 2 is the common. So you have to take the whole expression with bracket as a common, and you will write the leftovers now in another bracket. 2x minus 1. This is the answer, right? Let's have one more example. 2y square minus y minus 3. Again, the procedure is same. Coefficient of y square, जो भी term square में होगी उसका coefficient, multiplied by constant value with its sign. 2 times minus 3 is giving you minus 6. अब middle term should be -1. और अगर मैं इन दोनों को add करती हूँ -3 plus 2, तो two different signs. We will do subtraction होगी. तो answer आ गया 3 minus 2 1. But we will keep the sign of bigger value as per integer with the answer, right? So it means instead of middle term, I can use these numbers as a factors. 3 minus 3y plus 2y, right? And rest I will copy down the statement as it is. Now, as we know कि ये 4 terms हो चुकी हैं, तो we can easily make a group of 2. ठीक है? Now, we will start taking common. यहाँ पे number तो common नहीं है. 2 and 3 दोनों prime numbers हैं. So we'll go with y का square. तो one variable is common and that is y. What is left? 2 is left. I will write 2 as it is. 1y is left. So I will write 1y. And -3 is left. I will write -3. And that y I have taken out as a common already. So no need to go with this one. Clear? Okay. Now next, plus. There is nothing is common, right? Can you observe कुछ common है? ना तो number common है, ना sign common है, और ना ही variable common है. So you will just write 1 here. ठीक है? Or what is left? The whole expression you will copy down. 2x minus 3. Now you just observe ये bracket and ये bracket. Both are common. identical. So you will write as a factor, and what is left? This y is left. You will put another bracket to write it, and plus 1 is left. Okay, I'm giving you one question for you people. You people have to solve that question and send me the answer in comment section, right? X square plus 3x minus 18. Okay, I want कि आप लोग एक question और कर लो. I'm giving you the easiest one, okay? X square plus 5 x plus 6, right?